Hello everyone, this is LizardBoy1 and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a coronavirus mask out of this sock. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to cut the sock here and here. So I'll come back to you when I have that. So once you have cut it, now you want to make two little slits here and here, and it's going to be a little because it's going to be for your ears. Don't make it too big, just make it a little bit. So once you have made those slits, I have my mask, you want to open it. So once you have it open like this, now you see it's open. You want to put this napkin, you want to get two napkins, you want to fold them from here to the other side and to the other side like this. And flat it down. You want to put it in this sock. So right now this is a little bit too big. Measuring from here, we have to cut here. So once we cut it, you want to put it in this little slot in here. So I just finished putting it in evenly, and as you can see I have an extra part. We're gonna have to cut it. So once we have it like this, you want to flip it around, and here goes your ears. Now I'm going to do the test with a match, and I'm going to put it on and blow on it to see, for you guys can see that this really works and it's coronavirus free. So I have my matches here, and now I'm going to light one up to show you guys that this works. And as you can see, the match is still on. So, this is how you do a coronavirus mask for this pandemic that's going around here. This is how you do a coronavirus mask at home with a sock. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for you can receive any of my newest videos. Thank you so much for watching.